Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. So yeah, काफ़ी दिनों बाद I am back because I am out of the station. So now after coming back, I have decided to shoot a new video for you. So I'm going to discuss with you a very important and meaningful topic. So my topic is study after marriage. बहुत लोग सोच रहे होंगे ना स्टडी आफ्टर मैरिज. So guys, please change your thinking now. You can study after marriage, you know that. Be confident. Yes, education is not limited by age, gender, or marital status. Marriage is not a full stop here only. Many people thinks that after marriage we should stop studying and focuses on household chores and on family. But this is not right. This is not right because education is very important at every stage of life. Right? Marriage is not a full stop, but with proper time management, you can do it. Marriage should not stop anyone from learning, right? And studying after marriage makes you more confident, independent, and an education person can make best decisions in their life and also help and guide their children well. There are many inspirational examples in front of you who studied after marriage and get success in their life. You can do it with proper determination and time management and by support of your family, husband. Okay, you can do it. And it is absolutely possible to balance both the personal life and academic life with proper time management. You have to do your household work also and you have to study. When you have to study or when you have to do the household chores, it's up to you. You can do it, but I know responsibilities increases after marriage, but with proper time you can do it. If you manage your time, then absolutely you can do it. I know everyone have this question in their mind कि कैसे करें, कैसे होगा, काम भी करना है, पढ़ना भी है. But this is possible. Please, whatever in your head, first of all, clean your mind because you can study. Yes, you can study. But you have, but someone have to support you. By if you are not feeling well or if you are not in a good mood that you today कि आज मेरा काम मन कर रहा है. And you know, I have also one another question for you that पुराने ज़माने में क्या होता था कि हमें पढ़ने ही जाना पड़ता था. Now you have better opportunities and option. You can study online, you can take part-time courses, you can study easily. So nowadays it become easier to pursue or complete your education without neglecting your responsibilities. Marriage should never be seen as an obstacle to education. Let's change the mindset of people who limits learning and instead of promoting the idea that education can or should be done at every stage of life. Let us encourage people to study and growing and learning in your life every day. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I think this is a very sensitive topic which I've discussed with you because मुझे नहीं लगता कि हमें मतलब कि अगर आप एजुकेटेड नहीं हो ना तो आप इजीली पागल बन सकते हो कहीं भी, किसी भी स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ में आपकी. क्योंकि ये टाइम ही एजुकेशन का है। आप देख सकते हो अब बहुत कम लोग ऐसे बचे हैं जो कि ये नहीं है कि अपने बच्चों को पढ़ा ना रहे हों, सब पढ़ा रहे हैं। everyone is going to teach their स्टूडेंट, सब चाहते हैं कि वो आगे बढ़े और सब आगे भी अपने बच्चों को अच्छी शिक्षा दें। तो इट्स so let us encouraging to keep learning and growing every day, बिकॉज़ हर दिन कुछ सीखना आपको एक नई सीख देता है और एक नई चीज़ आपको सिखा के जाता है। मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप मतलब पढ़ रहे हो तो कुछ गलत कर रहे हो। इट इज़ योर ड्यूटी, और इट इज़ नॉट अ ड्यूटी, आई कैन से दिस, बट इट इज़ योर राइट टू स्टडी। ठीक है, मतलब आप पढ़ सकते हो भाई, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। कोई आपको अगर रोक रहा है तो वो गलत है, आप गलत नहीं हो। ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है धरती पे कि आफ्टर मैरिज यू कैन नॉट स्टडी। यू कैन स्टडी इजीली, यू कैन मैनेज योर हाउस एंड स्टडी पार्ट टाइम, whatever you want to choose, online or other options you have. And also we in future you can taught your student at home. Not it is not a duty of a teacher only that she or he can teach your student. You have, or parents have the responsibility also. You can teach your child better or give your children's best education in the world. You always think, सब चाहते हैं कि बेस्ट से बेस्ट एजुकेशन मिले, अच्छा से अच्छा कोर्स करें, नॉलेज मिले। Study always give you knowledge and skills which all you needed. Study not also gives you a only degree or a job. Study also gives you the power to speak in front of people, to speak or to difference between the right and the wrong, right? You can easily find out the difference. If you will not teach, you will sit quietly and watch the drama. और आधा पढ़ा लिखा होना भी इंसान के लिए बेकार है कि आपने पढ़ाई बीच में छोड़ दी है। आधी आधी चीज़ें की हैं कि 12th कर लिया, बीच में छोड़ दिया, पेपर दिए वो पहले टाइम वाला, तो वो लोग बड़े ख़तरनाक होते हैं, आपको बता दूँ, क्योंकि उनको फुल नॉलेज तो है नहीं ये दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है क्या। और अगर वो नॉलेज भी ले रहे हैं तो सिर्फ नेट के थ्रू ही ले रहे हैं। सो इन दी एंड आई only want to say this, that you can study at home also, offline or online, whatever you want to take, but marriage is not an obstacle for you to stop here. Okay, you can, if you want to look good, if you want to more confident, if you want a power, then you have to study for yourself and for your next generation, for your children's. That's it, you all needed, because नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में जो आने वाला टाइम होगा, बहुत टेक्नोलॉजी आगे बढ़ जाएगी। यू हैव टू अपडेट योर सेल्फ विद टाइम, विद वर्ड्स, विद नॉलेज, विद स्किल्स. So guys, keep learning and growing every day. Learn something new, okay, and make your life better, simple and beautiful. Thank you. See you in the next vlog guys. So I hope आपको मेरा वीडियो ये अच्छा लगा होगा. So please अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.